Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the Reddit applications icon. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on this avatar icon that you can see in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the last option saying Settings. Now, as you can see in the Reddit Premium section, the second option is Change App Icon. So tap on it if you feel like to change your orange red icon. There is this second one available. So all you need to do is tapping on it, then click on the button OK. As you scroll down, you can see that there are a bunch of other options that you need to purchase first in order to unlock the icons. You can do this by purchasing the premium Reddit pack. So then you will be able to select these icons. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.